What if I told you that before the end of this year, the vision on your heart wouldn't just be a dream anymore? I'm not talking about thinking about it or manifesting it. I'm talking about living in the physical reality of it. I see you smiling. Maybe you're laughing, or maybe you just rolled your eyes because you've heard this before. You don't doubt the vision that you have. You just can't see how. And you've tried and you tried different things over again, and it's still not a reality. But again, what if I showed you step by step? What if every daily action felt predictable instead of impossible? Visionaries. The truth is, your vision isn't too big. Your plan is just missing. After I wrote my book, Built by Him, I hit a wall. I had results. I went from single to married in 6 months, from no car to having my dream car, from taking a picture at the section of Barnes and Nobles under the self-development and religion section to being an author in that same category. And there's more results, which I won't share right now. I was winning, I am winning, but I couldn't explain why. Think about your own life. Every January, we get the poster board, we put pictures on it, we make it aesthetically pleasing. How many of us are actually living the vision pinned on our boards? I had to find an answer. So I audited my life and I drew on a piece of paper a line. And I said, what did I do when I succeeded? What did I do when I failed? And here's a strange fact. We have plans for our finances, our careers, our debts, you name it. But for our deepest soul's vision, we just hope. Listen, SMART goals are powerful. Affirmations are powerful. Anchor your vision in scripture, but a vision requires more than just goals. It requires a blueprint. It needs a vision plan of action. I, of course, had to test my own framework. I set a vision to serve 100 people through my book and help one person through this process, this framework that I wanted to implement. By March, I already helped my first client gain total clarity on the vision that they have, and I sold 50 books already. Not because I waited, but because I followed the blueprint. I'm sharing this with you because I'm stepping into my role as a vision architect. Over the next 5 years, my vision is centered on strategic execution coaching. Now, what does all of that mean? Over the next 5 years, I will build a stronger media presence, sharing with you high-value content, real experiences, and practical steps that turns vision into action and then reality. I, of course, will pursue opportunities to teach and reach more people who are actually ready to build. Because the time to build your vision isn't 5 years from now, isn't a year from now, it is now, and it is within the daily things that you do. I will be hosting workshops, offering coaching and development programs where vision becomes action in real time. And most importantly, I believe in the importance of environment and community, which is why I'm building Melanin Soul Media as a space where vision is nurtured, supported, and held accountable. That is what you can look forward to. And that is what I look forward to sharing with you. A mentor once told me, people don't want just confidence in your words. They want to see wisdom in your experience. Well, I'm living the experience right now, and I am so excited to share it with you and to see you win in every vision that you have on your heart. A vision board is a great start. It helps you see, but a vision plan of action is not just about the vision, but it's about the visionary. This is what helps you build, and I'm here as your vision architect. I don't want you to walk away, though, from this video just feeling inspired. I want you to walk away with a blueprint. I've put together the Vision Plan of Action workbook for you to download right now. Go to the link in the description, grab your copy, and print it out. Because in my upcoming videos, I am going to be walking through exactly how to implement this Vision Plan of Action, step by step, in real time. We aren't just dreaming this year. We are executing. You are meant for so much more. And your dreams and visions, they don't have to just remain in your mind. They can become a reality. I know this because I've experienced it. So click the link, grab the plan, join the community of visionaries so that you don't miss this implementation series. What vision will you finally stop seeing and start building? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.